strength and mind, yet fail to still a strongly beating heart. Ungrieved he cleanse the fabric of our days. Dear Lord, you do not stand from us apart. Our faith may flicker low and hope grow dim, yet you, O God, are with us in our pain. You grieve with us and for us day by day, and with us sharing sorrow will remain. Because your Son knew agony and loss, felt desolation, grief, and scorn and shame, we know you will be with us, come what may. Your loving presence near, always the same. Through long, darkened days, help us, dear Lord, to trust your grace, your courage to endure, to rest our souls in your supporting love.